Hi.
That's not very exciting.
Well, I mean, it's a freaking blizzard outside. There is a travel ban because all the roads are closed, so no one can drive us. So we have been asked to walk, to which I replied, what the fuck? I don't have gloves. I don't have a scarf because I wasn't planning on hanging outside. I'm thinking I might take this and wrap myself up in it and then walk. And people say it's glamorous.
You're just a diva.
I am not. But I am not an idiot.
Let's see how this day pans out.
Let's see. We're gonna try to head to the gym, to which I'm going to do a very abbreviated, like 25-minute situation.
She does.
Do these, and then I'm gonna take a shower so I can get ready for hair and makeup. That's my morning. I'm getting my makeup done, and apparently we might be able to actually get a car over. We shall see.
Are you talking to somebody?
Yeah, her camera.
Oh.
What are you listening to, hon?
My stuff.
Thank you, sir.
Good morning. How are you? Wow, that's cold.
Uh-huh.
No, she doesn't get it.
Oh, the queen! Oh, you know what you're doing, sir. You know what you're doing.
You don't know what you started.
Well done. I'm going to get this all day now.
Yeah.
You can come with her.
Okay, cool. I'm gonna just put my shoes on now.
You can walk
Wonderful.
barefoot. Yeah, it's basically perfect. This way it's less. Do you want to sit in the audience, or do
Yeah.
you want to wait in the wings?
That's all right.
Yeah.
Happy release day while things run. Happy release day to me. Woo!
Don't blow it out.
So just be away.
Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on. This is early, by the way. Oh, wild things run. Wild things run. If the angels start to weep, they will know the devil's won. Oh, wild things run. There you go.
Goosebumps! Oh my god, that was beautiful. Thank you.
Colin?
Look at the screen. Look at the screen. It looks like two big humps.
Did it just trickle out, or is it bad?
Oh, Jesus.
Doesn't it? I'm gonna do all my interviews like this. So nice to see you. We're going home, and apparently we just took a photo of the first sunset on Mars, and it's blue.
Well, we didn't, personally.
What? I mean, I had something
AI
to do
did.
with it because it was blue. No AI. Yeah, we should go on Mars and film a video for TikTok for the 30th anniversary of Blue. See, just perfect timing. I'm tired. On the last flight from LA on Sunday.
Well, lucky
6
you.
a.m. I know, it's crazy.
No, it's not on Sunday, but Sunday night.